This is the monthly review over our journal. It's important that you do this every month. Doesn't matter when, how, or what, but you have to do it. I do it weekly, but we are at the end of the month or the start of the new one, and I'll go over it completely, what we took for trades this month, how many, which one went profitable, and which one were not. Let's take a look together. So the month of March is over, and this is the full month of March. I'll put it the same color maybe, so we can actually see it. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades in the March month. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 not profitable trades, and we got 1, 2, 3 break-even trades, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 profitable trades. Let's get into it immediately, how much we made, and then I'll go over every trade. So in the month March, we had 14 R.6 collected. I got a 70+% win rate this month. Every trade has been taken live with a full group, so everybody has full transparency. If you want to join, there is a link in the description. You can always join. You can choose to take the course and get a 6-month entry, or you can pay me monthly and join the community. We trade live every day, and I'll show everybody exactly how I trade. Screenshots are in it. We have about 100 members in our group. So we got about 20 people online and about 59 offline. So we got about 100 people in our group right now. And I actually show all the trades we take live every day. These are all live trades we took, so there is no excuse to say that I took it or that we did not take it. Even today we took a nice trade, a short trade that we took, and I just stopped myself out. I even update every trade once we get online, of course. Now back to the journal. So let's take out the first trade. Enfingled candle, shift 5 minutes, changing character. Let's take a look what we did. So we had an enfingled change in 5-minute character, so we entered straight off of it. And how did it end? It was a beautiful profitable trade. So TP1 on the screen, full TP hits, and I believe we even moved a lot higher that day. Still, good trade, nothing to tell about. And liquidity wanted to see go below, and the market did not. Let's take a look what we have in here. Okay, so we had a retest off of it, and the market immediately started flushing. So we got stopped in a long half hour, but we can even see it was only a half risk. Reason why is because we did not have a full shift in structure. 15-minute enfingled candle took an entry on the close. My fault too soon. Needed to wait longer. No change in character, so no entry. Not smart. Keep to the plan. So, look, fully transparency. This is a not smart trade that I took because we did not have a shift in structure. But I entered actually on a 15-minute movement, I believe. This is, yeah, a 5-minute movement candle, and I needed to be patient for a 15-minute actually. And the market probably reacted differently, and we got stopped actually immediately. And then the market shifted up. This can happen, so we do not re-enter a trade when this happens. So that was the only trade I took, the 3rd of March. I took 2 half trades, and I ended it at, you can see, -1 on a day, and I stopped. A profitable trade, I made a 0, a break even, 1 profitable trade, and I stopped. So keep these rules for yourself. So you can see me trade once a day. If I make a profitable trade, I stop. Not profitable trade, I stopped. Look, profitable, profitable. Not profitable, break even. I didn't even take another trade. So we do need to take every trade. Next trade we took 5-minute shift, no continuation, market kept going sideways, no big moves, so I've stopped at break even. So this was my entry. So we had a change in character, we had a retest off of it, we tapped, we entered, and this was the outcome. I got stopped at break even because I put up my stop afterwards and we did hit full TP, but I got stopped at break even, so can happen. So if I did not move my stop, I'll put it on side, not move stop, good trade. Okay, the next one was a 3.5R, immediately collected. Did I say twice the same? Oh, this one is not correct. Yeah, this was a short, so... Okay, 3.R, good. This one needs to get off, not correct. Next trade. So we made a break of structure, we came back to that 7-8 level, I tapped it, we entered it, and the market continued to rally further down. What did the market do? So take profit, first take profit got hit, we swept the lows and I got stopped, actually moved stop to here. So once we hit that TP1, everything got actually stopped at TP1. I want to see full TP, but we never came to that area. Higher time frame break of structure, so let's take a look. So we had a higher time frame break of structure to the upside right here. So I wanted to see us get back to that fair value price to move to the upside, and we never did. We immediately start moving upwards. So entry got stopped. Happens. Be okay with this. If this happens, you can see after a month we actually just keep trading. So next trade that we took was the 17th of March. I want to take it to Asia highs, stops at the lows, clean entry. So what do? Break of structure, changing character right here. So we swept liquidity. We actually tapped an opening gap. So this was a weak opening gap that we tapped into, and there was a huge possibility that we kept moving upwards. So what did I do? I moved up, and this was the one that I forgot to put my TP in. Yeah, so Asia high was gonna be full TP, but I forgot my TP in this one, so I got lucky and I stopped actually immediately there. The market moved up a lot more even, but when I got online, I saw that we were already past my TP, so I just closed the trade. Was happy for it. Did not want to hold it any longer. Not need if you are an intraday trader. Do not hold too long. It's not necessary. Again, changing character, took the upside movement. Let's take a look. So we entered on a 5-minute fair value gap, clean entry. So we wanted to see the market move up. What did the market do? The markets just start hanging around here, and I got stopped at break even. Again, took Asia high and moved nicely away off our risk because not yet a shift in a 5-minute, but stop at BE too soon. I got stopped and was a good trade afterwards. So let's take a look. Second one. Yeah, I know, I remember this one. So the market, we entered right here somewhere. After the shift, market came back, made a structure shift. We entered on that one, and then the market rallied downwards, and I got stopped like on a 3-minute candle. Yeah, the market ended up flushing all the way to the lows even. So again, I'll put it in here, stop move too soon. So those are two. Third one, took a partial in a 15-minute fair value gap. After a sideways move, we came top 10 from first TP. Oh, so we came 10 points from the first TP, and the market came back to my entry. Was not behind the screen to manually take a partial again. So we took one partial and we got stopped. Let's take a look. So first TP, we nearly hit it. So I took a partial somewhere in here once we started rallying up after a long sideways movement. I remember this one too. In this candle here, I took a partial. I also mentioned that in the group. If you trade with me, I always say everything on Discord, and I put in my stop at break even, and this candle actually stopped me out. Because it came very close to our first TP and the market actually started moving sideways. 1 hour of sideways movement, shift in structure on a 3 minutes, took an entry, got stopped directly at Asia high. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I remember this one too. Yeah, so there was a 3 minute structure shift right here. So I entered a close and the market did immediately a 3 minute move back up. And then the market rallied further up. I did not take another trade. I did not see the market clear enough, so I just ended the market with that. We came back to 31 in March and we made a clean profit off of that one. So we entered on a tap of a rally gap. The market came back up, so it was a tap of a rally gap. 5 minute shift in structure, entered onto it, and the market rallied all the way down to TP2. We closely came back. We never ended this one, so we ended to TP2, and then the market moved back upwards. Good trade. This was the outcome. So we hit TP2, then we closely came back to our lows, and then the market entered, and I got stopped at break even with the rest of contracts still inside. So those were all the trades that I took. This is how you review your trades. So you watch things that you could have done better. What could I have done better? There were 2 trades in here that I moved my stop a bit too soon. If I did not move it, I would have had a bigger profit. But actually, I was very happy with the profit that we had this month. So I'm not gonna say that I would do anything different right now. This is a full monthly review that we took on our journal, and this is how you do it. If you want to join a group that really trades live with you, and I am the mentor itself, and I do trade live with you at least 3 times a week. This week was 4, but that does not always happen. I start at 9 a.m. Belgium time till 11, and the rest of the day I do not sit behind the screens. Only update everybody what I do. If you want to have a real mentor that trades live with you every day with the same movement structure and not guessing, I don't use indicators. I just use myself, my information that I have, and that is how I trade. I trade a naked chart. Nothing's on my chart except anything that I've learned in the last 6 years, and that's it. I will put everything on a chart for you guys so that you can follow along and learn from everything that I do. Now, if you're up for this and you are willing to step up your game and really wanted to make money in 2026 out of trading, there is still room left in my group. I also do one-on-one mentoring. That's a bit less cheap, but for my time, it actually is still very affordable, especially if you pay like 6-7 combines and you did not yet pass. I would recommend starting to look for some good educational and some good mentors that actually do trade live with you. There are not a lot of out there that actually can do it. What do I do? So you're always welcome to join the group, and if you do, I'll see you in there. Be well and see you in the next one.